Begin building your site by adding an About page. Here I am in my dashboard and I'm going to go under Pages. I can add my About page by clicking the Add New Page under the Pages menu, or I can click the button here, Add New Page, or I can click from up here, plus New, and then Page. So what do we put on our About page? But really the idea here is to tell visitors about you and your goals, and you may include some of these details and maybe not all of them. When you're adding new content, you want to click on this plus in the upper left-hand corner. This is going to give you some different options of the type of content that you can add, and it allows for your site to be more interesting. Remember, this is a website, so one of the things you're going to want to add to your About page is at least one image. To add your image, you're either going to upload the image, or you can use what's in your media library once you've started to build your site. So I'm going to choose something from my media library. I've already uploaded these, and I am going to decide which of these do I think is interesting for my About page. I'm going to choose this octopus picture. And you'll notice that I'm also going to have some alt text in here. That's important for people who use screen readers so that they can understand what your image is. So you'll see it's a pretty basic description of what's the image. Also here, I'm going to explain where did I get my image from. For you on your About page, it might be something that you have taken a photo of yourself, or someone who took a photo of you. If you would like to look around a little bit, just make sure that you choose royalty-free or Creative Commons photos. Then once I've got the right image, I'm going to select it. And now you'll see here I am back on my About page. And I can use this toggle to move my picture up and down the page. So now that I've chosen my picture, I want to make sure that I'm connecting my picture to some part of my text on my About page. Once I have my text all set, I'm going to go to this right-hand corner up here, and you'll see that it looks like a little kind of screen or book. This is your settings button. Once you click on it, it's going to give you some different options on how you might customize what's on your page and make some choices here. Again, you'll see that right now I'm clicked on the image box, so it's helping me to understand what are my choices with the image. If I click on a paragraph block, see the paragraph symbol here, that's just a regular text box. Then I can have some different possibilities with things like the color of my text, or if I want to add a background color or a gradient behind my text, I can do that. When you're building your site, you're going to be using blocks. You'll see here you have a toggle. Right now it's on block, and I can select my paragraph block here. You'll notice that I have some different options because this one I've selected on is an image block. Once I'm done customizing, I'm going to publish my page. Once I click publish, it's going to ask me a couple of things. Do I want to publish it right now? Do I want to add any specific password protection? Or when might I want to publish it? You can just click publish and then publish again. And once I've published, I can copy the URL if I need to submit that for an assignment, and then I can view my page.